Hi, Internet friends. It's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, I want to show you this crazy thing that I cannot paint drywall material onto this brick foundation on the rear wall like I can on the left wall, and how we get around this. Let's get started. So I've trying to draw this shelf around the room, and I've noticed that this wall is 5/8 of an inch away from the foundation wall in the model. When I pull this away, it shows drywall. When I go back to 5/8, it goes back to brick. I thought maybe I'd try pulling it away and creating a wall material region. And I do that and make this 5/8. The wall material region goes away. What it actually did, if you notice, it jumped onto this stud wall here. The material region did. So, pull this away. See how it stayed with the material region, stayed with the wall here. Got to delete, grab that somehow. There we go. I'm going to click and then tab until I see in the lower left-hand corner it says material region, then I can delete it. So to make it stick, for some reason, 5/8, that room that's created in between there. Wonder if I can do a dollhouse view. This over. Paint that in the room. Nope. Wait to the selected object. Okay. Does not like that. So let's go to select the room and see if we can change the materials. Walls. Let's go to plan materials and search for drywall. Even selecting the room and making the walls like that didn't work. So last resort is going to be a polyline solid. Create a 3D solid here. Here we're going to 5/8 of an inch thick, and I'm going to make it from the floor 4'11". Height will be 24, let's say. Go. Now I will paint that solid drywall material. Move this shelf back into the corner. Go. And last we will clean up this edge. Let's flip that so I can that. There we go. It's a crazy workaround, but sometimes you do what you got to do. This is Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. If you've learned something new, click like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow along for more. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.